the cable, paperwork, MP4 X290 connector. Nothing here. And this is the cable. Let's open the bottom part. It's bigger than what I thought. It is a huge battery. Wow, this is awesome. Nope, it's pretty heavy. And here it is. B300. I haven't turned it on, so cables go. So let's turn it on to see how much power it's got. It says 80%, so it comes like at 80%. Let's see if I can focus. Okay, so there it is, the B300 battery, expansion battery. So what I had to do here, the cabin is, I don't know if you saw my previous video, but I had the AC200 Max on this side and the ACP, which is this big boy here. I've had it for 3 years and he's doing very good. So I had the ACP 200 on this side. So what happens is on the AC200 Max, the expansion battery connection cable input section is on the left. So on the B300 battery, expansion battery, the input for the cable is on the right. So after seeing some videos, this part here, if you want to mount the AC200 Max on top, like I have the ACP right now, this part here will face backwards. So to me here in the cabin, it doesn't bother me to have the battery on this side. See, battery on the left, and then what I did, just the cable, just connected it here, and I have the AC Max on the right. You can see right now we're drawing in 420 watts from the solar panels, and if you go to data, and you can see right there the AC Max 98%, and the battery number 2, or the number 2, which is the expansion battery, the B300, is at 68. So it's charging. The AC Max is charging the battery, and you can tell right there. So yeah, I mean, you can so this is the ACP. It's nothing to do with the battery right now. It's just I'm running the little window unit. I have the enhancer going in with 2 panels, which is giving me 101.95. Then I have 4 solar panels, 100-watt solar panels, which is giving me 221. And I'm outputting 491 for the little window AC unit. Testing some timers. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes with the B300 expansion battery. But this is the connection. You don't need to have the main unit on top. the AC Max, the AC200 Max on top. If you want to look at this part, or you can use the cigarette lighter output, or you can have it on the side. I think it turned out pretty good for me. It worked for me. So yeah. Well, thank you all for watching. Stay posted. We'll keep on loading up some videos. We can also, I forgot to mention, input some solar. I think it's 200 watts on the input, on that input right there. And we can also, of course, do some input on the 110. But for now, it's a bit cloudy right now, so for now it's I'm happy with the setup. We'll see how it turns out, and we'll let you know on future videos. Thank you much. Subscribe, take care, and we'll catch you in the next one.